Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge two columns in Excel 2016 without losing data. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then you can open your Microsoft Excel sheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I merge two columns in Excel without losing data. You can see here are my two columns. Firstly, select these two columns and go to home menu and click merge and center drop down menu and click merge. You can see I merged two columns, but two column in Excel without losing data. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for